This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by backing up the drive so you won't lose files. That's non-negotiable. Once done, shut your MacBook down, unplug power, and ground yourself with an ESD strap to prevent static damage. Make sure you have a Pentalobe and Torx drivers nearby. These are the first actionable tools. Remove the bottom screws in a controlled pattern, keeping track of sizes. Then gently lift the bottom panel. You'll see internal components, and you're ready to proceed to the internal disassembly. Once the case is open, immediately disconnect the battery connector to eliminate live power and reduce short risk. Then identify the SSD type. Some models use M2 sticks while others have proprietary blade modules, so you know what to unscrew. Remove shielding or cables that obstruct access, using plastic tools where possible to avoid damage. Keep each screw organized and labeled because reassembly depends on exact placement. After clearing the area, you'll be ready to free the SSD from its mount and remove it safely. Unscrew the SSD retention screw and lift the drive out at a slight angle. Handle it by the edges and avoid touching contacts. If replacing, insert the new module the same way, secure the screw, and then reconnect the battery. Reattach the bottom panel and tighten screws in the reverse order you removed them, then power on to confirm functionality. If the Mac fails to boot, make sure the SSD is fully seated and the battery connector is snug. Try booting into safe mode to isolate firmware or software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.